no one can catch a break, including us. The heat is going to continue throughout the next few days. We're in the hottest stretch of the year so far, right in the throes of this heat wave. We really don't have much rain to cool us down today, tomorrow, or even Saturday, though by Sunday and next week we'll get that relief coming our way. We'll see lower temperatures, still talking around 90 degrees, with more rain coming our way next week, so that will certainly help with those cooling showers. But we've got to wait a few more days and get through this heat wave, as our high temperatures this afternoon can touch the triple digits. Yesterday, Slidell hit 101 degrees. Probably going to do that again today. Check out our area-wide high temperatures in the upper 90s. 99 New Orleans, possibly 100 degrees in Bogalusa, 98 in Covington, and 97 in Galliano. Really, that only tells half the story because it's very humid outside, so it feels like temperatures going to be even higher than that. Yesterday, we did see record-breaking heat at the Kenner Airport. Our temperature yesterday was 98 degrees. It broke the previous record of 97. We'll probably do this again today at the airport and maybe again tomorrow. So we do have record-breaking heat on tap for today, with those heat index values this afternoon easily going above 113 degrees. So maybe around 114 this afternoon, 115 upwards to 118 during the afternoon hours today. So make sure you're staying cool and hydrated. And then you notice throughout the evening hours, there's really no relief that comes our way. It still feels like the triple digits well into the nighttime hours and even the upper 90s overnight into the early morning hours tomorrow. So just a quick reminder, make sure you're taking those breaks in the shade, in the air conditioning if you can. Drink lots of fluids, lots of water. Make sure you're paying attention to your body and your health. Check on your neighbors, especially if they don't have air conditioning. Make sure the pets are inside and make sure the kids aren't overdoing it on the playground and they have enough to drink as well. Just a few more days of this, and then we'll start to get back to our typical summertime heat and humidity by next week. As for today, we'll trend mainly dry. There is a stray shower just in St. Bernard Parish right now. We can get a couple stray showers and rumbles of thunder today. That's definitely a welcome sight, but only about a 20% chance at best to see that throughout the day. I think our model might be overdoing it just a bit. I don't think we'll see this much activity throughout the afternoon. It would be nice. So hopefully we'll see a hit or miss shower or storm today. It is going to be hard to come by, much like it has been the last couple of days. Heading into the evening hours, there might be a couple stray showers passing on through, not much. Overnight, we'll see mostly clear skies, and we'll start tomorrow off much of the same, dry, lots of sunshine. Sunshine today, sunshine tomorrow, which is nice, but no cooling showers. So tomorrow we'll probably trend mostly dry again, maybe a stray shower or storm, very isolated for your Friday afternoon. The only good thing is this pattern change that's going to come. Not for the next 3 days, so don't even pay attention to the next, no, just kidding. Pay attention to the next 3 days. It's going to be dangerously hot, but Sunday through next week, you notice the pattern shifts. Temperatures start to decrease down into the lower 90s just in time for the 4th of July, and with that comes more rain and storms in the forecast. So a quick look at your 4th of July. It's not going to be a washout. I have about a 40% chance for some scattered showers and storms at this point, much like a typical summertime day with temperatures topping out in the lower 90s. So looking good for the 4th of July. Quick look at the tropics. There is one area of disorganized showers and storms in the western Atlantic. It has a very low chance for development over the next week. It's going to drift to the north. Model's really not doing much with this thing. Other than that, there's nothing going on in the tropics, and we have no local concerns in the U.S. or in the Gulf of Mexico in the next week when it comes to the tropics, but what we do have to worry about is the sweltering heat that won't back down for the next few days, and only have about a 10% chance for isolated showers and storms now through Saturday, but Sunday a better chance for some rain and storms, and next week we get back to what we would expect for the beginning of July.